Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to this intimate morning with Mr. Sea Lion at San Diego's La Jolla Cove. We're here in La Jolla Cove. Yeah, it's a nice day. It's on the chilly side, but it's clear and you can see all the way out there. There's a couple of boats, ships there. I think the one farther might be a cruise ship. And of course we have this very friendly pelicans here. They're huge. They almost look like from the dinosaur era. There's a few sea lions down there on the beach, on the sand. And there's a couple down there swimming leisurely with the waves. They usually allow people, even kids, to go swimming here. This area is called the kids swimming pool. Yeah, now I know why we can't go down there, because the beach is closed because of the seal popping season. From December 15th through May 15th, they don't want people to be disturbing the little pups. So I think I see quite a few of them down there. Some little baby seals enjoying the sun and the beach. Too bad we can swim close to them. Oh, look at that bird playing with, is that a ball of some kind? That's so cute. I don't know what kind of bird it is though. He's just playing with the ball down there. Uh-oh, the water got your toy. There's that cute bird again playing with its ball. Oh my God. Can't get any cuter than that. This is a seagull here, and it's probably expecting to be fed. We're not supposed to feed it. So, hello there, Mr. Seagull. You're not afraid of people, huh? Hello. What have you got to say for yourself? And that bird is still there. That seagull is still there, posing for pictures.
It's so fun.
I know. It's like, take a picture of me. So it looks like somebody is setting up for a wedding today. This little park here is the name. I forgot what it is. Is it the two of you who are getting married here? Just kidding. You're only on your first date, sorry. You have some really nice waves with all that white caps. I'm surprised nobody's surfing here. Some nice big waves. Oh, there's some nice big waves down there. Here's another seagull who's up for another picture taking or video. Oops. Hopefully it doesn't have any fleas. It's scratching. Something must be itchy. Hello there, Mr. Seagull. Oh, sorry. And down there, these rocks, of course, are tens, maybe, I don't know how many sea lions or seals. I don't really know the difference between a sea lion. I'll find out in a little bit. I think there's a sign down there. I don't know if you can hear the barking. Let's try and get closer and see if we can hear them. Oh, I can even smell them now here. Smells fishy. There's a lot of, oh, they're down right here also on this ledge here. Cliff. I think the ones that bark are, let's find out. No, that's a lot of sea lions. I believe they're sea lions or seals. Whatever they are, there's a lot of them here. Just enjoying the sun, sunbathing. Some of them are playing. Oh, there's a few little ones down there. So cute. And they're not even bothered by those big waves coming in. That's the one right there. It's making funny sounds. They're barking. Oh, and there's some of them just enjoying the water there, playing. They're so cute. And yet smelly. Oh, look at those big pelicans flying over. Ready to swoop in. Really big waves. Wow. Look at those waves. I hope these are not tsunamis from some earthquake I didn't hear about. Okay, so seals are quiet and rarely make a noise, while sea lions bark and vocalize. So the ones that bark are sea lions, lions. The other comparison is the flipper. You look at the flipper of this one, it's huge. Down here it's huge. And that's the, what is it? Here. Oh no. Here. Compare the flippers.
Those are small for covered.
Yes. Yeah, so this is the seal. And this is the sea lion.
Sea lion. Have large skin covered, wing-like feet.
Right here. Okay.
Like this slippery.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Sea lion.
No feathers. And the ears, there's something about the ears also. But I always forget which one's which. So sea lions are the ones that bark. Okay, good to know.
Seals have ear holes.
Look at all those birds, all those pelicans. Some of them are huge. Right along the cliff. And maybe we should go down there where those people are. I think there's a cove there where you can go into. Oops. Although the tide seems to be coming up, I don't want to get wet. Look at those pelicans. Oh my god, look at that. Tuka, the bill, so big. They're designed to catch fish. And there's literally hundreds of them on the cliff here. I think you can see. Look at all those pelicans where people are coming out to move out of the way.
Like without asking.
They're right on the side of the cliff there. Literally hundreds of them.
Mainly it was very yappy hour.
I don't know if you can hear me, but there is a cove or a little cave down there formed by the water, by waves splashing against the rocks. People are down there and you can actually swim, and you can see some people are actually in their bathing suits, even though it's like, I think 50 something, mid 50s the temperature right now, which is like, I think it's like maybe 15 degrees, even 13 degrees Celsius. Very cold. Pelicans on top of that cave down there. The cave, I think that's why it's called the Jolla Cove, because there's a lot of caves or coves formed by the water, the waves on the rocks. Maybe we should go there. Okay, and you can see some people down there taking pictures. I don't know if I want to risk slipping on those rocks and falling in the water and falling into that 50-degree, 55-degree water. But we'll be careful. As we step down here. Oops. Look at Mr. Sea Lion down there, just playing here, enjoying all the attention that it's getting from the people around. There it is. I can touch it. Oh, there it is. Hopefully it's not aggressive. Hello there. Oh, it's yawning. Oh, it's coming here. It's coming here. It's coming here. And there's the sea lion. That's a sea lion. Look at that big flipper. Oh my God. It's coming here. Oh my God. It's coming. Hello. 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 Oh my God. This is the best video I've ever taken. So cute. He's posing for pictures. Oh my golly. Okay, $5 here, folks. $5 per picture. My God, can you believe that? He's really posing for pictures. Oh my God, can you believe this? This sea lion is just posing for pictures, and it's coming closer and closer to people. My golly. My God. This is the best day ever. Oh my God, there it is posing. There he is now, or she is resting now. Okay, going now. Okay, I think that's it. Show is over, he's saying.